Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. For those of you that are new here, welcome to the gang. For those of you that are a returning subscriber, hey y'all, hey, what's up? Thank you guys for supporting me. Yeah, so let's just jump right into this video. I decided that I wanted to get a blonde wig because I wanted to try something new, and I got the wig. Let me show you guys. So it comes in this. It says upside down. So it says Candice hair on it. So the wig is from Candice hair. It says it's supposed to be human hair or whatever the hell it says. I don't know. So we're gonna see some. It doesn't look. I don't know if it's gonna look exactly like what it looked like online. But we just gonna have to see. So yeah, so let's get into it. So stocking cap thingy, some lashes. This is Huda Beauty, some Huda Beauty lashes. So this is the hair. It's 10-inch. I ordered it, and I don't know if the blonde is gonna look nice on me or if this hair is gonna look nice on me. This is how it looks. This is the back. It doesn't smell like human hair, it just smells like hair. So I guess these, so it's a 4x4 closure wig. So it has, you know, the little lace piece in the front, which would be here, and then it doesn't have any in the back. So it has one clip in the back here, one clip in the front here, and that's pretty much it. Then it has the little strap things here on the side. Okay. Okay everyone, so this is the finished product. You know, I did a little some curls, so this is what it looks like. I just did a little curls. I did my makeup, you know, I didn't do nothing great, but I just did my makeup. And here I basically just kind of I used the Got To Be spray, and I kind of just, you know, I used the Got To Be spray and sprayed it. And then the part was in the middle, so I put the part like on the side because I don't like middle parts, to be honest. And yeah, so this is how it looks. I actually like it. The only thing though, I feel like it doesn't really take curls very well, but aside from that, I like it. It's cute. I've never done blonde before, so this would be definitely a new thing for me. I just wanted to try something new. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time I upload a video, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Big ass, I get that.